PopUP Denver 2022 is almost here. Just in time for Halloween, experience a full day of family fun Sunday, October 16th at Denver's McNichols Civic Center building. Featuring awesome attractions like Halloween costumes and cosplay, zombie makeup tutorials, drawing and arts workshops, comics, manga, and books, board, tabletop, and video games, including head-to-head Mario Kart racing, and a board game design jam. Plus, kids' pop culture meetups where you can exchange Nintendo Switch codes, trade Pokémon cards, and make new friends. Secure your tickets now at popcultureclassroom.org/popup. Get inspired, make new memories, learn and connect with your community at PopUp October 16th at the McNichols Center. Tickets are just $20 and kids under 5 get in free. Your purchase will support workshops, free resources for students, educators, and families, and community events like PopUp. Join the fun with Level 7 games. Discover new comics, manga, and books with Second Star on the Right books. Learn content creation with Colorado Public Radio. Get creative with the Denver Art Museum. Learn storytelling with Lighthouse Writers Group. Discover ghost stories and dance the Monster Mash with History Colorado. Learn about science and pop culture with the Colorado School of Mines. Get wild with Denver Botanic Gardens. Discover new horizons with Wings Over the Rockies. And explore our world with the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. Secure your tickets now at popcultureclassroom.org/popup. Sunday, October 16th at the McNichols Civic Center building, 144 West Colfax, Denver, Colorado. Proceeds support Pop Culture Classroom's year-round arts and education programs. So get your tickets now at popcultureclassroom.org/popup.